I said, oh Lord Jesus.
So it started as a joke of selling a t-shirt. I made a design so I should make a shirt. I got overwhelmed with support of people saying that I should make a shirt. So here we are. I'm doing them via Sublimation. It's something that I found. It's the most cost-effective way of doing it myself. I've done everything else on the car myself, so I just wanted to have a DIY solution. I wanted to be the guy that made the shirts. It helps keep the price point low. At the end of the day, I don't think I'm $25 t-shirt famous, as my wife says, but I'm most definitely a $15 t-shirt famous. So I figured, why not? So it's going to be done through Sublimation. So it's actually a heat transferred ink, and here's one how it turns out. So they want you to do it with polyester, 100% polyester. I don't like how the shirt's finished. I like these 50-50, 50 polyester, 50 cotton Gildans. So what you do is they make something for cotton, this little coating. The little bottle I got, I made it exactly to the end of the 45 shirts. Made a little jig. I put the t-shirt in this, as you will see. I put this on to get it square, do some measuring, and go to town. I ordered 45 shirts. So I've got a variety of colors. They go in large, extra large, double XL. I did not go with any other different sizes. I'm going to see how popular they are first before I invest a bunch of money. And if they seem to take off, I will facilitate and be more than happy to get different sizes. But all you need is a heat press, some patience, and the willingness to try to do this stuff, really. So here's how they started to come out. They look good because I did it without the spray initially, and you get more of a, that one's not very good. That one's I've been wiping junk on. You can tell that it will not soak in through the cotton without that. So it gives it more of a faded vintage look. I didn't want a completely faded vintage look, but I also didn't want a super bright look. So I barely misted them and got this result. I've gotten a good bit done. The first step of everything that I did was to get the spray on them. I pressed them, make sure that the spray was good, and now I'm starting to put these on. So I will show you the process. I hope you enjoy.